Hey guys, back again to a new video. As you may already know, the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus are supposed to be launched with brand new under display fingerprint scanner. What everyone actually thought was it probably would work well if the fingerprint scanner would work with a screen protector. I think no one actually even thought about the idea that there might be an issue with it. But a new video has leaked showing the Galaxy S10 Plus using a screen protector, and what we don't really like, what we're actually seeing, is that the actual screen protector has a hole in it. People have already were pretty much unhappy with the notch, then the hole of the camera. Some people are not already liking it, but I don't think most people even expected a hole in the middle of the screen protector, which means in the middle of your display. So basically this is really what Samsung has decided to do. I think the technology is not yet ready to be able to penetrate a plastic screen protector. So basically if you apply a screen protector to your S10 or S10 Plus, you will actually have to be willing to compromise and have that little hole, as you can see in the picture, where to put your finger so that you can actually access your phone by fingerprint scanner. I don't know how I think about this, to be honest with you. I don't use screen protectors on my phones because I usually handle them pretty well, but a lot of people actually use them because they are pretty clumsy. So what do you think? Tell me in the comment section below. For the second leak today, Samsung will actually bundle free Galaxy Buds with the Samsung Galaxy S10 pre-orders in Vietnam. It will also come with a JBL Charge 3 wireless speaker, which is worth $150, and a clear view case for the phone with a total value of $300, which is a huge amount. Interestingly enough, the Samsung Experience Store offers this promotion from February 11th to the 26th, and it's already ongoing. Samsung is already running a pre-order promo in the Philippines too, though the gift package is like a mystery box, which may or may not contain the Galaxy Buds. For the next bit of news today, the guys over at XDA Developers have dissected the new Samsung camera app to unveil brand new features that will be implemented on the S10 and the S10 Plus, and probably S10e too. Now, the first one will be the 1080p super slow motion. The S9 and the S9 Plus had 720p that takes 0.2 seconds of 960 fps videos at 720p in automatic mode, or 0.4 seconds for 80 fps video at 720p in manual mode. Now, this feature will actually increase it to 0.8 seconds of super slow motion at 1080p, which is a much better outcome. The next feature will be best shot, which is basically rather than aligning a great shot and twiddling your thumb to hit the shutter button, the S10 will automatically hit the shutter for you when detects the shot has been lined up. The next one will be basically just bokeh effect. It will have a bunch of them, It will have a bunch of them, which will basically be bokeh effect blur, its color, mono, side, spin, vintage, and zoom. We don't know how they actually look like because it's just code at this point. The next one will be document scanning, which came with the Galaxy Note 9, HEIF format pictures, scene optimizer, something similar to what the iPhone has, HDR plus video recording, which is a 10 plus, ultra wide angle video recording, which is going to take use of the third wide angle lens that's been added to the Galaxy S10, dual capture with wide angle, something like that was launched first on the Nokia 10. Then there is flaw detection upgrades, scene optimizer upgrades, super steady video, which is for the software stabilization next to the hardware stabilization. So these are just a bunch of brand new leaks that we are seeing. We don't know really how much Samsung will actually shock us at this point, if there is anything left to be shown that we don't know about, but I think there isn't. The phone is basically like what it looks like at this point. We are just waiting for the day of the launch and seeing the actual phone and its promotion material. So thank you again for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the